I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, soybeans were lower. It seems that those technicals are still very bearish and they're pressing the market down. I know that the trend is lower and we're looking now to test some support levels right now. As we move into the harvest time, we know that a bumper crop is really imminent with that USDA report, and without any other fundamental news coming in, the market is still sinking a little bit lower. Also, corn started out being steady all day. The export sales were really ahead of last year and really kind of like improving a little bit, but it seems like some of the managed funds are still short, so that's putting some pressure on the market. So with the bullish and bearish news, it was holding steady, but as wheat started to tumble, it started to pull the corn down a little bit, and it ended up down 2 or 3 cents. So that pushed that also lower. The US dollar index was a little bit lower, so you thought that maybe that might offer some support, but kind of nothing doing, especially with the wheat. The wheat was down again. Those US exports are still lagging behind. And also out of Russia, there's been an interesting kind of development where a lot of the farmers are, and all the a lot of the owners of some of the grain, the sellers are really getting rid of whatever wheat they can before they implement any restrictions. And that's kind of like flooding the market right now, and that's pushing it lower. But we see wheat as being one of the thinner markets and oftentimes overshoots its objective. Even though we're down like double digits, we've kind of broken through the $5 mark, which was really kind of a benchmark for the low. That was a little bit of a surprise today. We're seeing if that price is actually going to hold for wheat. But right now, as we move towards the harvest time, we know that it's going to pressure these markets. So without any other further news to kind of give us a little bit of a bump, we might remain here for a while. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.